Hi Plant Friends, it's a quick stop at IKEA to see what plants they've got. Looks like I've stumbled up on a fresh restock. Anthuriums are $13. They've got the red, and this one's like a whitish yellowy green. Lemon lime maranta. Now the lemon lime marantas, these are priced at $5. We've got some dracaenas. I like the stripes on these. They're also priced at $5. It's $5. We've got some peperomias. These peperomias, I believe they're $5 as well. It's a cute little syngonium. Syngonium's also $5. We've got a bella palm, also priced at $5. The peace lily. These are in 6-inch pots for $15. These jade plants are nice with the red tips on them. I believe they're $13 each. These are solid green, but multiple plants in the pot. Now the Sansevierias, these are marked down. At the moment, they're going for $10.
These are the Christmas tea lights. Oh yeah, I got those. Oh, you got them? That's the only one.
Up here we've got some pothos in 6-inch pots for $10. Oh, these are some lush pots. Lots of cuttings in the pot. More of those jades. The red tip on the leaves, that's really nice. And they've got the money tree. These are nicely braided. They're $13 each. They also have a few spray bottles. The spray bottles are $2.50. The cash pots are $7, and these are metallic. Some potting accessories for $5. A nice mixture of items in here. These are the hanging pots. Great for balconies or on a door or a ledge. They're $10 each for the pots. And then you've got the watering can, beautiful green with the gold handle for $15. We've got larger bella palms in 6-inch pots for $12. And down here they've got those ficus. That looks like they're walking out of the pot. Looks like they're in 5-inch pots for $25. We've got the black as well as the white pot. These ficus are looking nice and healthy. Beautiful leaves. Looks like a fresh restock, doesn't it? We've got some Sansevieria laurentiis. They're $10 each, and they're in 6-inch pots. The large pots, Plant Friends, I don't think I've seen them in such a large pot before. It's like a 10-inch pot. They're humongous. Look at the size comparison. Now this large pot is priced at $40. And they're stunning. Now over here we've got the decorative pots already decorated for you with the jade, echeveria, and aworthia. 3 plants in this pot. $17 for the arrangements. These ponytail palms are also humongous. Now the ponytail palm, definitely it's not $6. Would be nice. Here's the correct pricing on this beauty. $17 for the ponytail. Nice beefy trunk on these. And they're very full on the top. The aloes are priced at $5. And this one's the medicinal aloe. They do require a lot of sun. If you've got a south-facing window, I recommend this. And they pop. More of the dracaenas, and these are only $4. They're cute and small. Perfect for a little desk or small space. They do have some poinsettias, 2 different sizes. The 4-inch pot is $7, and it looks like the 6-inch pot is $10. And the big ones are nice and full. They do have some orchids. The orchids are priced at $20. I think $20 for the larger 2-stem pots. Let's see what pricing on this side. Yes, so the larger pots, so these are like 4-inch pots with 2 spikes. They're $20 each. Beautiful color. Now the about 3-inch, maybe 2.5-inch pot, these are $17 each. Gorgeous color on this one. They're all fully open already, all the flower buds. This one looks like it's got a little bit more of a longevity because the majority of the buds are still closed. And that's what, 3 spikes on this one? It's really good. 1 dead flower, but I think that flower, yeah, might have been knocked off or from another plant. Now at a closer glance, they do have a few with muddled leaves. And generally these ones with the muddled leaves are fragrant. A slight fragrance on that beauty. And this one over here also has the muddled leaf. I really enjoy these orchids with the muddled leaves. They've got the bird of paradise. These are in about a 10, maybe 12-inch pot. Now the price on the bird of paradise, we're looking at $46. Look at this, some humongous money trees. Look at the woven trunk on this one. Very intricate braiding. They're $46 as well. Some large size Sansevierias as well as palm trees. Looks like we're 25 for the Sansevieria and 25 for the palm. And those are in about a 10-inch pot. Over here they've got some Fiddle Leaf Figs. Beautiful large leaves on these Fiddle Leaf Figs. About 2 nice growth points in the pots. And that's also in that 10 or 12-inch pot. And the price is $30. It's a good size. It could be a little bit taller, but a fair size Fiddle Leaf Fig. They also have the Christmas cactus. Now these are priced at $10 each. It looks like some of the buds have fallen off already, so there won't be a large flower yield on these. You'd have to search through to find one that's a little bit more generous with the flower buds. $10 for the hanging baskets. Now these are more what I'm talking about. Look at all those buds just waiting to open. Now this one's more of a 4-inch pot and it's $6. They also have the moon cactus. Look at how nice and vibrant these are. They're $8 each. This yellow is really speaking to me. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.